Good morning, ma'am. I am the last presenter of the report of formulating organic concoctions and extract. Common procedure in formulating organic concoctions and extract. This involves the step taken to create effective organic solution. Some common procedures include fermentation. Fermentation or for creating liquid fertilizer. So what is fermentation? Fermentation is a biological process where microorganisms like yeast or bacteria break down sugar in the absence of oxygen, producing byproduct like alcohol or gas. It relies on microorganisms drive the process, and it took 3 to 10 days to use. You can use it as fertilizer, soil enrichment, and microbial boost. The next is infusion. Infusion or soaking the plants or herbs in water to extract beneficial properties. Infusion is a process where you soak something in liquid, usually hot water, to extract its flavor and properties. The process is you just need to soak it in the water, and it took hours or day. You can use it either a natural pesticide or liquid fertilizer. So next is blending or mixing different natural ingredients to create a balanced concoction. So physically combining the different ingredients without a significant chemical change. Farmers use this procedure to make sure the organic concoction are potent and useful for the plant health, pest control, and soil enrichment. How this organic agriculture help? How this help organic agriculture? Organic agriculture focuses on working with nature, and this concoction are a key part of it. They help farmers grow healthy crops without relying on synthetic chemicals, which can be harmful to the soil, water, and the environment. Organic agriculture prioritizes working harmoniously with nature, minimizing reliance on synthetic chemicals. Organic concoctions, mixture of natural substances, play a vital role in achieving this goal. By using this concoction, farmers can promote healthy soil, control pests naturally, enhance plant growth, and improve sustainability practice. So number one is promote healthy soil. Organic concoction often improve soil structure, fertility, and water retention, leading to a healthier plants. And number two, control pests naturally. Instead of harmful pesticides, organic concoction can utilize natural pest elements or attract beneficial insects, keeping pests under control without harming the environment. Number three, enhance plant growth. These concoctions can provide plant with essential nutrients, boosting their growth and overall health. And number four, improve sustainability farming practices. By reducing the needs of synthetic chemicals, organic concoction supports sustainable farming practices, protecting the environment and promoting long-term soil health. This reduces the environmental impact of agriculture, making it more environmentally friendly. The practice of formulating organic concoction and extras is crucial in organic farming because it reduces dependence on harmful chemicals and encourages more sustainable farming methods. Organic concoction are crucial in organic agriculture because they help promote healthy soil, control pests naturally, enhance plant growth, and improve overall sustainability for farming practices. By reducing the dependence on harmful synthetic chemicals, this leads to healthier crops and a healthier environment. That's all. Thank you.